Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Rider Ramblings. We're on the old camera today because I thought you'd like to see what I can see on the Aoocci unit, the CarPlay unit thingy. The camera that I normally wear is on my chest, and it gives a different view. Whereas this camera here is closer to my eye line, and you can see what I can see, or very nearly. It's pretty close. I've moved the unit slightly, so it's easier for me to see. But I notice there's some reflections and so on the screen, so I might need to just angle it down slightly. We will see. On that, yeah. So we're about to have some really foul weather. I think you've got it in the UK as well. My ABS lights started flashing again. It wasn't flashing before. Strange, I thought I had that solved. Sorry. Yes, we're about to get some really foul weather. Temperature prediction is about 0 for us. Not sure if that's tomorrow morning or the morning after, but 0 first thing in the morning, and 18 degrees late afternoon. Though I must admit, I think tomorrow is only 10 degrees late afternoon, but the day after is going to be 18. So it is a bit up and down the weather. So I don't know what you can see. As I say, I've tried to put it so that you can see what I can see, or very close to it. That's the main screen, which I tend to like, actually. I do use the maps Waze, and when it starts up it automatically goes into Waze, but this is the one I prefer. It would be nice if you could have a default setting for which one, but I think that's to do with Google Android rather than the Aoocci people. One problem I have found is the tyre pressure gauge. Now, it could be just because I've only got one installed, the rear one. It could be because of that. I won't know until I get the valves changed on the bike. But what it does, or what it seems to do, is it reads the last highest pressure, and that's it. It doesn't go back down to your original pressure. Now, it seems that I'm the only person so far that's getting this problem. That I know of. Nobody else is reporting it on the forums and so on. So it could be because I haven't got the front one installed on that. The fix is to repair it. I tried to. I took the battery out for 10 minutes and so on, but that didn't have any effect. But as soon as I unpaired and paired it again, it came up with the pressure you see now. As I say, it does read slightly over pressure. My other two gauges read 44, so this is overreading. So that's the next thing I need to check. It could be a faulty sensor, don't know. What I might do is put the front sensor on the rear and see if that acts properly. We will see. We will see. So we had our local elections for the municipalities and mayors and so on, and it seems that France is drifting right. Now, right in France is not the same as right in the UK or the USA. The Conservatives in France are a bit sort of like the Liberal Democrats in the UK. And what used to be called the National Front, which is now the Rassemblement National, is sort of a bit like the right wing of the Conservative Party. And that's that. But as I say, the left wing is very socialist, and they tend to give away everything. So that seems to be the problem. Anyhow, it seems that there have been a number of new right-wing mayors and municipalities going right, so we'll have to see how that bodes for a while on that. We've got, say, a nice day on this trip down the Marne. It's literally a quick run out before we get, I think it's 0 degrees tomorrow. I think it's tomorrow that we get 0. So it's really a quick run out before the weather closes in. And what I will do is I'll use the time over the next 3 or 4 days or so until the weather warms up to do 1 or 2 bits and pieces on the bike. On that, I wonder what that is on the right hand side, sir. I think you can find it's called a cycle path. And he's also breaking the speed limit as well. But he's a lycra lout, so laws don't apply to him, traffic laws. Anyhow, so that's about that. So I don't know if you can see the screen. I need to angle it, as I say, just down slightly. There's 1 or 2 reflections, a bit too much. And but I've, as I say, I've changed its position. It's nearly what I thought I would do is try and get it sort of at the same angle as the instruments, but in doing so, we've got a little bit too much reflection. I mean, I can still see it. That's not a problem. I can see everything on there. It's just I would prefer a little bit darker. I suppose I could change the contrast or whatever, as you can, but we will see. I don't know what Charlie in front's doing. He's got me worried. Anyhow, we'll say thank you very much. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.